Meaning of Farley's Rusks.
Farley's Rusks.
Farley's Rusks.
Farley's Rusks.
Farley's Rusks. Farley's Rusks are a type of teething biscuit that is popular in the United Kingdom. They were first introduced in the 1880s by a company called Farley's and were originally marketed as a nutritional supplement for young children. Today, they are still sold as a snack for babies and toddlers and are made with ingredients like wheat flour, malt extract, and milk. Farley's Rusks are known for their distinctive shape, which is similar to a hockey puck, and their crunchy texture. They are often used as a teething aid and to help introduce young children to solid foods.